Alright, what's up guys? I am back here again. Sorry about that other video that got edited. I don't know what happened to it. But we are going to be back here on stock cars. We did stock cars earlier. That was earlier when we were, sponsored by what? The Italy Toad BTS Smile Gin car. Let's see. Okay. Use our Sprite car.
I'll just call the green. Wait!
Come on, turn. I passed the 212s. But then we're gonna get a run on the 24. Alright. We'll see the white flag on this time by. Oh, what are you doing? I thought you were gonna stay there. That's a nice time to respawn, game. I can't believe the game just ruined it. Speaking about the game, I have won the race. So I gotta say it was probably a checker record, I think, or something like that, yeah. So we won the race. So that's gonna do it for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want me to see next. And I will see you guys later in the next video. Goodbye.